In this video, I will teach you how to add React Helmet in your React project.
But why? Well, you want your website pages to rank better in Google search results, right?
Let me tell you a secret.
Add meta tags and meta descriptions to your pages, which increases your chances of ranking better in Google's search results. Okay, so what are they? Meta title is also known as title tag. Search engines use the meta title to display page title in search results. Meta description provides a brief summary of the page content and is typically displayed below the meta title in search results. We can add them using React Helmet, so let's do that. I have a simple React project which routes to a few pages. I downloaded it from GitHub and will attach the link in description. Let's start the project. This is our website. We have a couple of pages. Now if we right click and inspect the source code of these pages, we will see that all of these pages will have the same meta title and description. This is happening because by default all the routes show the meta title and description written in the index.html page present in public folder of your React app. Let's install React Helmet to change them. Now we could give each of our page component a unique title and description. I imported Helmet on line number 2. Now we will create a Helmet component. Inside this Helmet component, we will first define our title tag and then our description tag. Now our home page has a title and a summary of what we do in description tag. Let's open our home page and see the updated meta title and meta description. We go in our head tag and look for our meta title and description. Here it is. We do same in other components. Thank you for watching till the end.